Singer Rain recently shared his love for his family, expressing his willingness to do anything for them. He also uploaded a new episode of his YouTube show showcasing his gourmet tour in Italy. During a meal with the show's producers, Rain talked about his favorite travel destinations, including Korea, Japan, the United States, Hong Kong, and Thailand. Despite not having traveled much in Europe, Rain cherished the experience and considered it a precious moment. He congratulated a producer on his upcoming marriage and advised him on being selfless once he becomes a father. He emphasized the shared responsibility between husband and wife in raising a child. Rain, who married actress Kim Tae-hee in 2017, is a proud father of 2 daughters born in 2017 and 2019. His dedication to his family is evident in his words and actions, demonstrating his commitment to being a loving and supportive husband and father.